Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wenli. Today I'm going to share with you one very simple and easy recipe. It's a snack. It's called onion rings. It's my favorite. You have to try at home. Okay? These are the ingredients that we need to prepare for these homemade crispy onion rings. First, we slice the onion into about half an inch wide. Then we separate the onion slice from each other. Then pour the flour into a bowl. Gradually add in the water and stir until fully combined. Now, add a pinch of salt and a few dashes of pepper. Stir to combine. If the mixture is not sticky enough, add about a tablespoon of flour and stir to combine. Then, we pour the breadcrumbs into a plate. Normally, I mix the golden breadcrumbs with the original ones. Dip the individual onion ring into the flour mixture. Then, coat the dipped onion ring in breadcrumbs. Now we heat up the oil in the wok, then slowly place the coated onion rings into the wok. Turn and fry them until both sides are golden brown. We are done! Wow! Now we are going to eat these onion rings with my homemade tartar sauce. Let's try it. I tell you, very delicious. Must try at home and let me know, okay? Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.